leadership is a really interesting opportunity because it presents us with the opportunity to fully actualize, to fully grow as a human being, which is wonderful in and of itself. We use all of the challenges of leadership in order to grow up, if you will. There's a corollary to this, which is that if the leader chooses to then grow up, then they become a better leader. And so in short, what I often say is better humans make better leaders. And if we focus on growing better humans, we're going to end up with better leaders.